Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to get the Boombox in Retro Studio quickly and reliably. You must reach the Game Story Act 2 to trigger the Boombox quest. Make sure you have unlocked 2 gadget slots for carrying the item safely. Gather 300 scrap parts and earn about 500 XP before you begin the mission. Equip a medium-range noise suppressor upgrade to reduce enemy detection while moving. Save your game in the closest safe room before attempting the pickup. Follow the upcoming steps calmly to avoid reset or loss. Start at the main atrium and head north toward the soundboard room entrance. Look for a climbable pipe on the left wall near the scaffolding. Climb the pipe and then jump 1/4 of the way to reach the mezzanine ledge safely. The boombox sits on a crate beside the vintage speaker stack on that mezzanine. There are 2 roaming guards in the corridor below. Distract both with a thrown wrench to clear your path. Grab the boombox and secure it in your second gadget slot immediately. After you secure the boombox, fast travel to Bay 3 and speak with NPC Juno for the delivery. Juno pays 50 and awards 250 XP for completing the boombox side quest intact. You can equip music modules in the boombox to grant allies a 25% morale boost during missions. To stealth transport the device later, install a resonance coil and a noise suppressor to reduce audible range. If you fail, reload your quick save and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.